Let's smooth our gummy dress. It's Super BB's birthday party. Oh my, here they come.
Come on, everyone.
Wait up for the birthday girl. Welcome, girls, to Gigi's Bakery Shop. It looks like we have a birthday party today. Who's the birthday girl?
I am me.
What's your name, birthday girl? It's Super BB. Well, Super BB, happy birthday. The birthday girl gets a special hat to wear. There you go. Now everybody in the shop will know you're the birthday girl. How cool. Looks like you have 5 friends that are part of your birthday party.
They're my best friends.
Well, we're gonna have so much fun today. Any guesses on what we'll be making today?
Cupcakes?
No.
Donuts?
No.
I know, a birthday cake, aren't we?
You are so close. We're going to be making cake dresses.
Yay! But wait a minute, what are cake dresses?
Well, let's find out. Kaboodle fans, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making cake dresses for our LOL friends. Let's see which ones they're going to pick.
I'm Daring Diva.
I'm gonna pick this pink mold.
I'm Mrs. Partey. Let's see here. I'm gonna pick this blue one. I'm Sis Swing.
This is a hard pick,
but I'm going with this pink one.
Up next is the birthday girl Super BB.
I'm gonna do this pink one. It matches my hair.
We have 2 more dolls left.
I'm going to do the green one. It matches my bow.
And it looks like Bomb Bomb is left with this blue one.
It's gonna be pretty.
Looks like every doll has a cake dress mold that they're going to be using. Let's get started and build their cake dresses. Let's start out with the birthday girl, Super BB. She's got a pink mold. Let's see what's underneath. Let's open up the surprise for her. Whoa, it looks like a top. Let's put this on you. Cute, it has gold hearts on it. Let's bring out our other ingredients. Looks like we've got 3 colored sand, orange, purple, and pink. We're gonna be using these packets to fill in our mold. Drink up. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, a happy birthday card. We also have some heart confetti, a spatula to smooth out our dress, and it looks like a heart cape. All right, birthday girl, we're gonna take our teacup and our dress mold. Make sure to not remove the center part right here. We're gonna go ahead and put this right in the middle, just like so. Next step, we're gonna grab our cup, and you see 3 different hole areas. We've got the outer right here, we've got the middle. Let's open up our first baggie. We're gonna cut the tip, and we're gonna go ahead and pour this in the middle section. Be really careful. We're gonna continue that with the rest of the colors. Just make sure it doesn't overflow. My dress is gonna have some pretty awesome colors. We've got purple, pink, and yellow for this one. Make sure it reaches the top. We're gonna go ahead and take our tiny spatula and go ahead and pat this in here. Make sure it's nice and flat. Now we're gonna take our water and we're gonna go ahead and pour it in the middle. Keep on pouring it in. You see the water is going down? That means it's filling up our teacup. Keep pouring. And the fill line is right over here. We want the water to go all the way up. All right, go ahead and press down so that the water covers the top of our mold. It's floating. We're gonna wait 2 minutes. While we wait, we're gonna take our clear side and we're gonna dump our heart confetti inside. How super shiny. This dress is totally gonna match our birthday girl. All right, it's been 2 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and lift up our dress and let it drip down a little bit. We're gonna take our little circle paper and we're gonna go ahead and flip the dress over. Whoa, it's orange, purple, and pink. We're gonna let it sit for 5 minutes. All right, it's been maybe like 3 minutes, but I'm gonna go ahead and remove our mold. Just like so. Oh, it's sticky. This is what it looks like. We're gonna go ahead and dunk it in the water. One more time. Take your spatula and smooth out your dress. Oh, we're gonna take our birthday girl and we're gonna slowly put on her dress. While it's sticky, we're going to we're gonna use the heart confetti and put it on the dress. This this is our final product. I absolutely love the hearts on it. She's gonna dry for 15 minutes. We've got the cute Bom Bom. I can't wait to do hers. Let's go ahead and see what her surprise is. It's going to be a cute top, isn't it? Let's go ahead and put it on. It matches the rest of her outfit. Let's bring out Bom Bom's teacup. Here are the colors that her dress will be. We've got turquoise, yellow, and pink. Oh, cute. Her accessories are in here too. Let's go ahead and put your headband on. So sweet. Looks like she brought a birthday card for her friend. And look at the confetti. It's candies. Let's get started. I'm gonna flip her dress over. I really want the blue on the bottom so we can see it. Let's go ahead and pour that in. Hers is gonna be so pretty. Cutting the yellow. She looks like a cotton candy girl. And we're going to top it off, whoops, with this pink. Be careful with this stuff. Make sure you get it into the right area. All right, I would say if you're doing this at home with me, ask your parents for help. Now comes the water. Pour it in the middle. Make sure it's covered with water. We're going to wait a couple minutes. Let's go ahead and pull this out and flip this around and let it set for 5 minutes. All right, let's go ahead and peel our mold. Ooh, that was kind of stuck on there. Here we go. I dunked my fingers in water and I am putting it on my dress to smooth it out. Now we're gonna go ahead and put it on Bon Bon. Slip it right on there. These are the colors. We've got the turquoise on top, yellow in the middle, and pink on the bottom. Now while it's still sticky, we've got the confetti. They're candies. While the dress is still sticky, I'm gonna go ahead and put these candies right on top. Here's the final product of Bom Bom. I really like her colors. Now she's going to dry. Up next, we've got Sis Swing. The colors in her dress are pink and white, and she's got some darker confetti. We're gonna check out her surprise too. Whoa, her shirt has stripes. Let's get you dressed. Now comes the dress. Flip this over. For her colors, I'm gonna do a little bit of white here on each corner. Little here, little here. And I'm gonna switch off. So we're gonna do the pink now. So it's not gonna be layered. It's gonna be kind of spotty. And we're gonna do this peachy color next. And again with the white. Here we go. Now onto the water. Do. Almost to the top. All right, now it's floating. We're gonna go ahead and press that down. Let's let this set for 2 minutes. All right, let's take this one out. Whoa, this one looks super pink. Go ahead and put it right on here. Do. Let this set now. It's been 5 minutes and I put our little doggy confetti in a bowl. These are so cute. We're gonna decorate the dress. Let's go ahead and peel this back. Ooh, nice and sticky. Go ahead and wet your fingers and kind of glide it on the dress. Now we're gonna pick up these cute little doggies. Oh my goodness, I think this is gonna be my favorite one today. They're little poodle doggies, even better. What's your favorite kind of dog? I know the golden doodles are really popular right now. Those are so cute. Alrighty, come on in, Sis Swing. We're all done with your dress. Oh, I really like this one. Let's have you dry. Up next, I have Mrs. Partey. I already put her top on. There's sprinkles on it. Her colors are going to be white, pink, and blue. Let's go ahead and get started with her dress. For her dress, I'm going to do pink on one side. So we're going to dump the whole thing in here. Now, blue on this side. I got to be really careful with this now. And white in the front and in the back. Now comes the water. We are at the top a little bit more so it floats. Give it a couple minutes to stiffen. All right, let's take this out and let it set even more. Mrs. Partey's confetti are bows and they're pink. All right, let's go ahead and peel this one back and take a look at all of the colors we created. Oh, this one's really pretty. Look. The pink and the blue made purple. That's really pretty. Now, let's go ahead and smooth out our dress with wet hands. Let's go ahead and put some bows on it. Make it nice and shiny. Last one. All right, Mrs. Partey, let's go ahead and fit this on you. Whoa, so pretty. Now let's give you time to dry. All right, we've got 2 more dolls left. On our left, we've got Daring Diva, and on our right, Royal High Nay. Let's get started with their surprises. I'm gonna put their dresses in the cups. Let's open these up. 2 cute tops. Now let's put them on our dolls. Could they be any cuter? Now let's make your dresses. We've got 2 cups already. Let's start with our Daring Diva. I'm going for an ombre-ish look. So be very careful when you're putting these in. You want the sand only in the middle part right here. Then a lighter purple. Ooh. Just like so, keep rotating. I'm gonna take the spatula and kind of poke at it. And now the pink is going in. Again, take the spatula and poke at it. I want the colors to kind of blend together. We'll see if this works out. We're done with this doll. Now let's make the colors for our Royal High Nay. For hers, I'm gonna do one color on one side, the pink on the other, and white in between the 2. Now let's go ahead and fill them up with water. A little bit more, make sure it reaches the top. Now go ahead and press them down. TNUN, let's wait 2 minutes. I think they're ready. Take them out and put them on their little sheets. While the dresses are drying, I went ahead and put on their accessories. This one has little kitty ears. And this one has some fancy sunglasses. All right, they have set, hopefully. Let's take them out. This one's so pretty. This is the ombre-ish one that we did. All right, before it sets, I'm gonna go ahead and put some water all over it. Just like so, make it nice and smooth. And now, look at these cute little confettis. They're kitty cats. While that is still tacky and wet, we're gonna put it right on there so they stick. Last one, perfect. Get it? All right, let's go ahead and put our little kitty cat doll right on here. Meowza, perfect. Now it's Royal High Nay's turn. Let's see what the colors look like. Oh, there we go. They're so neon. Okay, I'm gonna quickly put the water on here because it's already setting. Let's check out our confettis. Oh, they're crowns. Perfect for our Royal High Nay. All right, there we go. Our last doll putting on her dress. Whoa, look at the colors on this one. They're so neon and bright. Now all of our dolls can dry. All right, Caboodle fans, our dresses are ready. Here they are in their beautiful, shiny colors. Which one was your favorite? My top 3 are Bomb Bombs, Super BB, our birthday girl. I really like how the colors turned out here on Daring Diva. The party is now over. Their dresses really turned out. Thanks for joining us. Happy birthday, Super BB.